Hi everyone, I am Raghav Maheshwari. I am a third year undergraduate in the Department of Mathematics and Scientific Computing. I sat for corporate internships last year and I applied for all the day one companies that I was eligible for except Microsoft and Nutanix, and I had offers from Capital One and Goldman Sachs, and currently I am interning at Goldman Sachs. The first thing that you have to decide while sitting for corporate internships is what kind of profile you are aiming for. So, like most of you, I had not done any coding since ESC 101, so for me the choice was pretty clear, and so I aimed mostly for quant roles. I started my preparation for quant by solving 50 challenging problems in probability by Frederick Mosteller. Then there is a practical guide to quantitative finance by Xin-Feng Zhao. Then there are websites like Brainstellar, Gurmeet.net, CSE blog. I also solved some puzzles from Geeks for Geeks and InterviewBit. Puzzles are generally not so helpful, during the test, but they might come in handy during the interviews. I did not specifically aim for coding roles, but I still prepared for them, just as a backup. And I did questions from InterviewBit and Geeks for Geeks, and read upon some algos from CLRS, as I had not done ESO 207 at that time. I was an IC, and I saw and verified several resumes, and the one thing I want to focus upon is don't write anything that you can't explain. Because you should be able to explain each and every detail of any line of your resume. There is a general misconception that while applying to investment banks like Goldman Sachs, you are required to have some prior knowledge of finance, but that is actually not the case. You won't be asked these things specifically unless you have written about them. So I had done a project on derivatives pricing model under finance discussion group. So I was asked about it, and any one of you who is interested in finance, I will definitely suggest you to read Option, Futures and Other Derivatives by J.C. Hull. It will cover all the major aspects that you may need for finance during your internship interviews. Next thing is about courses. So as I am from MTH, I had done MSO 201, and even if you have not done MSO 201, I will suggest that you read the notes, because there were questions on hypothesis testing in Gartner's test, and it will in general help you to solve the quant questions that you will come across in your test as well as interviews. Another course that helped me was Eco 201, but that was for a specific company, Capital One. Now coming to tests and interviews, so Capital One's test was more of a speed maths test. There were 30 questions and you had to solve them without the help of a calculator. The interview process had 2 rounds, both were case study, and 1 HR round. The HR round had typical HR questions like what sort of project you have done and what did you love about it, and what is a position that you have held and what impact did you create. So if you have ever held a POR, that might make it easier for you to answer that question. Now coming to Goldman Sachs, its test had 3 sections. One was on aptitude, another one was on coding, and the third one was on quants. The interview had 3 rounds. For me, all the 3 rounds consisted of quant only, but I know people whose all the 3 rounds were based only on coding. So I think that depends upon how you perform in their test. Now I will answer some generic questions. So the first one is how to bag a foreign research intern Does this help in getting a PhD in the future, and what type of opportunities are there in MTH course? I don't know a lot about foreign research intern because I don't have a great CPI, but any research intern, especially in maths, requires a lot of effort because you have to read up on a lot of different things, and you have not done many courses, so it's very hard to know where your interest lies in, and you have to mail a lot of professors and apply to various programs. But if you are aiming for a research intern in MTH core, then I suggest that you talk to Hargunpreet Singh Bhatia and Medha Agarwal. The next question is, what are the different options available in a given profile as in companies? So there are many options available for any particular profile. For SD there are D Shop, Tower, Quad-i, Microsoft, Nutanix, Sprinkler. For Quant there is Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Edelweiss, and there are in non-core there are Deutsche Bank, Capital One, EXL. I think most of the companies fall under these three categories, and can we get a good placement and internship by focusing only on coursework? Actually, I think you can. So I had not done anything till my second year summers. I took up a project under SNT during my first year, but then I watched a depressing TV show and I went home mid-summer. So basically till my second year summers I had nothing to write on my resume. Whatever I did was during those 2 months, and I think even if you start preparing now, you can definitely get a good internship. So that was my gyan. You can reach out to me anytime, and yeah, thank you.